Creating a step-by-step learning path for beginners is crucial for anyone wanting to make progress in a new skill or subject. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to do it, step by step, and make sure you avoid the confusion that often comes with learning something new. Stick around to the end because I'll give you a bonus tip that'll take your learning path to the next level. First, it's important to define your goal. What exactly do you want to learn? This is the foundation of your learning path. Without a clear goal, it's easy to get lost along the way. So, take a minute to think about what you want to achieve and write it down. Next, break that goal down into smaller, manageable tasks. Think of this as dividing your big goal into bite-sized pieces. For example, if you're learning a new language, start with basic vocabulary, then move on to simple grammar rules and then practice speaking. This will keep things less overwhelming and help you build your confidence as you go. Now, you need to prioritize the tasks. What should you learn first? What will give you the most value from the beginning? When creating a learning path for beginners, it's all about starting with the basics and building a strong foundation. Once you've got that, you can move on to more advanced topics. Don't forget to set realistic deadlines. Learning takes time, and it's important to pace yourself. Make sure your deadlines are achievable, but also give yourself enough room to absorb the information. Remember, consistency is key. It's better to study a little each day than to cram everything in at once. Another important step is to track your progress. Use a simple method to keep track of what you've learned and what's left to tackle. Whether it's checking off completed tasks on a to-do list or using a digital tracker, seeing your progress will keep you motivated and on track. Make adjustments as needed. Sometimes things won't go according to plan, and that's okay. If a certain approach or resource isn't working for you, don't hesitate to change it up. Learning isn't always linear, and being flexible will help you stay on the right path. Finally, keep practicing. This is the part where most people falter. It's easy to get excited at the start, but learning requires practice. Make sure you schedule time to regularly revisit what you've learned, and don't be afraid to challenge yourself with new tasks as you progress. To make the process easier, I've tested out a variety of learning tools, and the software we'll be using today can help you structure and manage your learning path more effectively. You can try it out with an exclusive free trial just for my viewers. Check out the link in the description below if you want to follow along. Key takeaway. Creating a step-by-step learning path for beginners doesn't have to be difficult. Start with clear goals, break them into manageable tasks, prioritize, set deadlines, track your progress, and keep practicing. By following these steps, you'll set yourself up for success and make the learning process much smoother. Don't forget, if you want to get started with the software we used in this video, the exclusive free trial is in the description below. It'll help you get your learning path organized from day one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.